the ultimate diet plan for kidney disease patients. Today, we are delving into a vitally important and essential topic: the best dietary practices for people with kidney disease. The kidneys are indispensable organs in our bodies, playing a crucial role in removing toxins, maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance. For those with kidney disease, taking care of and protecting kidney function through diet is necessary to improve health and quality of life. In this video, we will explore key nutritional principles, the foods to include and avoid, and how to build a reasonable and scientific diet plan. We will provide you with valuable information, from daily food choices to small tips for naturally enhancing kidney function. Let's get started. 1. Reducing salt. Reducing salt in your diet is an important step for people with kidney disease to reduce the burden on the kidneys and control blood pressure. You should choose fresh foods, such as fresh vegetables and meats, instead of canned or processed ones. Use natural herbs and spices like basil, rosemary, and lemon juice to enhance flavor instead of salt. When buying packaged foods, read the nutrition labels carefully to choose products with low sodium. Cooking at home is also a good way to control the amount of salt. Limit fast food, and when eating out, ask the restaurant to reduce the salt in your meal. A low-salt menu can include oatmeal with sliced apples for breakfast, grilled chicken salad for lunch, and herb-grilled salmon with steamed broccoli for dinner, along with fresh fruits like strawberries or grapes as snacks. 2. Controlling protein intake. Controlling protein intake in your diet is very important for people with kidney disease. First, you should choose high-quality protein sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, and low-fat dairy products. Divide meals into smaller portions and limit your daily protein intake to about 0.6 to 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Use low-fat milk, yogurt, and cheese to provide protein without putting pressure on the kidneys. You can also replace animal protein with plant-based protein such as beans, nuts, and whole grains. A controlled protein menu might include boiled eggs and whole grain bread for breakfast, grilled chicken salad for lunch, and grilled salmon with steamed vegetables for dinner, along with low-fat yogurt or walnuts as snacks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips and updates. 3. Limiting potassium. Limiting potassium in your diet is very important for people with kidney disease. You should choose low-potassium foods like apples, strawberries, grapes, broccoli, cauliflower, and bell peppers. Avoid high-potassium foods like bananas, oranges, tomatoes, potatoes, and beans. Soaking and boiling vegetables before cooking can help reduce potassium levels. Peel fruits and vegetables before eating, as the skin often contains a lot of potassium. Use rice, pasta, or bread instead of potatoes in meals, and choose low-potassium grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats. When buying packaged foods, read the nutrition labels to check the potassium content. A low-potassium menu might include whole grain bread with a bit of butter and strawberries for breakfast, grilled chicken salad with lettuce and broccoli for lunch, grilled salmon with cauliflower and white rice for dinner, along with sliced apples or pears as snacks. 4. Reducing phosphorus. Reducing phosphorus in your diet is very important for people with kidney disease because high phosphorus levels in the blood can cause bone and blood vessel damage. You should avoid high phosphorus foods such as dairy products, nuts, and carbonated drinks. Instead, choose green vegetables, fruits like apples, pears, strawberries, grapes, and low-phosphorus grains like white rice and refined wheat flour. Boiling and stewing food can also help reduce phosphorus levels. Limit processed foods and always read nutrition labels to check phosphorus content. A low-phosphorus menu might include white bread with butter and fruit for breakfast, grilled chicken with lettuce and cucumber for lunch, grilled white fish with cauliflower and white rice for dinner, along with strawberries or grapes as snacks. 5. Balancing water intake. Balancing water intake is very important for people with kidney disease. You should keep track of your daily water intake and drink small sips of water throughout the day instead of drinking a lot at once. Limit eating fruits and vegetables that contain a lot of water like watermelon, cucumber, and tomatoes, and avoid consuming processed foods high in salt. Sucking on ice chips or chewing sugar-free gum can help reduce thirst. When exercising, exercise lightly and drink water as directed by your doctor. Use diuretics as prescribed by your doctor to help control the amount of water in your body. A balanced water intake menu might include whole grain bread with butter and apples for breakfast, grilled chicken with lettuce and broccoli for lunch, grilled fish with sweet potatoes and steamed greens for dinner, along with some unsalted nuts or sugar-free gum as snacks. 6. Avoiding oxalate-rich foods. Avoiding oxalate-rich foods is very important to reduce the risk of kidney stones and protect kidney health. You should avoid foods like spinach, beetroot, berries, nuts, and beverages like black tea and coffee. Instead, choose low-oxalate foods like kale, broccoli, apples, pears, white rice, and white pasta. Boiling vegetables before eating and rinsing them thoroughly before cooking can help reduce oxalate levels. Incorporate low-oxalate foods into your daily diet and monitor your oxalate intake to ensure proper nutrition. A low-oxalate menu might include white bread with scrambled eggs and fruit for breakfast, grilled chicken with kale and carrots for lunch, steamed fish with pumpkin and white rice for dinner, along with walnuts or watermelon as snacks. 7. Drink enough water. Drinking enough water is an important habit to maintain kidney health. Water helps the kidneys filter waste and toxins out of the body. It also maintains fluid balance in the body. When the body lacks water, the kidneys have to work harder to remove waste, putting a lot of pressure on them. This can lead to symptoms like back pain, fatigue, and swelling. Drinking enough water not only helps reduce these symptoms but also makes the kidneys function more efficiently, keeping them healthier. An adult should drink about 2 to 3 liters of water per day, depending on their weight and activity level. Filtered water and mineral water are the best choices, while sugary drinks, caffeine, and alcohol should be avoided. 8. Maintaining a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for protecting kidney health. When you have a healthy weight, your kidneys do not have to work too hard to filter blood and remove waste. This helps control blood pressure and reduces the risk of developing diabetes, both of which are major causes of kidney disease. Additionally, maintaining a healthy weight improves kidney function, enhances blood circulation, and reduces the risk of heart disease. To keep a healthy weight, you should eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, monitor your calorie intake, get enough sleep, and manage stress. These habits not only help you maintain a healthy weight but also improve your overall health. 12 superfoods for kidney health. 1. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3, a type of fatty acid with strong anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3 helps reduce inflammation in the body, lower the risk of heart disease, and improve kidney function. Additionally, salmon is a high-quality protein source that is easy to digest. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil contains many monounsaturated fats that are beneficial for heart health. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the kidneys from damage and improve kidney function. 3. Egg whites. Egg whites are a high-quality protein source with low phosphorus content. This is suitable for people with kidney disease who need to control their phosphorus intake. The protein in egg whites helps maintain and repair body tissues without putting stress on the kidneys. 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in vitamins K, A, C, and antioxidants. They help protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals and reduce inflammation. Leafy greens are also low in potassium, making them suitable for those needing to limit potassium intake. 5. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are low in potassium but high in vitamins C, A, and antioxidants like lycopene. These nutrients help boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and protect the kidneys from damage. 6. Garlic. Garlic has strong anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It helps improve kidney function by reducing inflammation and removing toxins from the body. 7. Onions. Onions are rich in antioxidants like quercetin and low in potassium, which is beneficial for kidney health. Antioxidants in onions help reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells. 8. Apples. Apples are high in fiber, which helps lower cholesterol, prevent constipation, and maintain stable blood sugar levels. They also contain antioxidants that help protect the kidneys from damage. 9. Strawberries. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants like anthocyanins. These nutrients help protect the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals and improve overall health. 10. Red grapes. Red grapes contain resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the kidneys from damage and reduce inflammation. Red grapes also improve blood circulation and heart health. 11. Spinach. Spinach is rich in vitamins K, A, C, and antioxidants like beta-carotene. These nutrients help protect the kidneys from damage and improve kidney function. 12. Blueberries. Blueberries contain many antioxidants like anthocyanins and are low in potassium. These substances help protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals and reduce inflammation. These foods not only benefit kidney health but also provide essential nutrients for the body, helping to improve overall health and prevent chronic diseases. We hope the information on dietary practices for people with kidney disease has been helpful and will effectively improve your kidney health. Remember, maintaining a healthy diet not only protects your kidneys but also enhances your overall quality of life. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable health information. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics you'd like us to cover. Thank you for your support, and see you in the next video.